Hello and welcome to another video. Today you will be looking at a strategy you can use to trade volatility 75 index on the 5 minutes time frame. On my screen I have V75 5 minutes time frame, and I have three windows. The first upper window is my main window. Okay. The second window is my indicator window 1, and the third window is my indicator window 2. Now let's look at how this strategy works. On the main window, let's look at the settings. I have Bollinger Bands. The period is 10. Deviation is 2.0. Shift is 0. Apply to close. Color is black. Then I have moving average. Period is 3. Shift is 0. Method is linear weight. Apply to low, and the color is blue. Then I have another moving average. Period is 2. Shift is 0. Method is linear weight. Apply to high, and the color is also blue. Now, how does the settings work on the main window? You can see I have a buy position and price is going up. So how do I take my trades? What I do is I allow the two blue lines to cross above the mid Bollinger band line, the mid band. Okay, this is the mid band. This black line is the mid band. So I allow price and the two moving averages to cross above the mid band for me to have a buy position. Okay, and for me to have a sell position, I allow the two moving averages with price to close below the mid band. Okay, the mid band is my confirmation, so to speak, of when to place a buy or sell trade. That's for the main window. Do not forget, when you have price and the two moving averages crossing above the mid band, just like what you have around here, you can place your buy trade. If you have a total crossing around here, then you can look for how to place your buy trade somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here will be appropriate for you to place your buy trade. And for sell trade, just look at the entire setting crossing below the mid band, just like what you have around here. Okay, your sell trade will be more appropriate if you place it somewhere around here, somewhere around the lower somewhere around here will be appropriate for you to place your sell trade. The strategy is for scalping. Okay, you can scalp your trade, and when you can scalp off your trade when you see a buy signal open, like what you have around here. You can close the trade and then enter a buy position and then buy. Okay, so that's for the main window. For indicator window 1, let's look at the settings before we try and see how it works on indicator window 1. For indicator window 1, we have relative strength index. The period is 20. Applied to close, color is red. Now for the levels, we have 60 and then we have 40. Okay, for the levels. Apart from relative strength index, which is your RSI, we have moving average, just one moving average. The period is 200. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to first indicator's data, and the color is blue. So let's look at how that works. Okay, the levels, you can see the levels, the 60-40 levels, more like there's a 60, just a minute, there's a 60, and there's a 40. Okay, forming like a upper boundary, lower boundary. Okay, for the red RSI line. Okay, now you have a blue line, which is your 200 moving average. Whenever the red line cross above the blue line, you have a buy signal. Okay, whatever it cross below, you have a sell signal. Okay, but in as much as the entire setup is within the upper and the lower bound, which is the 60 and the 40 RSI line, you are still in a range. Okay, but when it crosses below if it crosses below the 40, the red line crosses below the 40, that means you have a breakout for a longer trade. So let's assume you have your cross for a sell signal here. You look for take profit at 40. Okay, you look to take probably first take profit, or you look for support around 40, which is what happened around here. Okay, and if you are buying, you look for resistance around 60. Okay, in a range. Okay, which is what you have around here. But if you have a breakout above 60, then you have a bullish trend. Okay, same thing, if you have a breakout below 40, you have a bearish trend breakout. Okay, so that's the essence of indicator. We don't want to measure your support, your resistance, your breakout, for it to have a bullish trend breakout or bearish trend breakout. Now let's look at indicator window 2. This is our indicator window 2. Let's look at the parameters. For the parameters for indicator window 2, we have relative strength index. The period is 5. Apply to close, color is red. Then we have moving average. Period is 50. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to first indicators, data color is purple. Okay, we also have another moving average. Period is 100, shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to first indicators, data color is blue. We have the next moving average, which is period is 200, shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to first indicators, data color is green. Then we have the last indicator on indicator window 2. Tekan sen is 9. Kijun sen is 26. Circle span B is 52. Okay. The up Kumo is green in color. The down Kumo is red in color. Other stars, you have no color. Okay, so let's go to the chart and look at how you can use indicator window 2. For indicator window 2, when the red line, okay, this is our red line, which is the RSI line, when it breaks above all other indicators, let it be moving average or Jimoku, like you have around there, that's your buy signal. Let me take it again. When the red RSI line breaks above or crosses above all lines and Ichimoku, then you have your buy signal. Okay, so when it crosses below, just like what you have around here, below all lines or Ichimoku, you have your sell signal. Okay, this is your buy signal, this is your sell signal. So it's very easy. Once you have the confluence, you have the alignment of all signals on all windows. Okay, alignment of all signals on all windows. then you can take your trade. Just like you have a buy signal here, and you have a buy signal here, and then you have a buy signal around here, so you can easily take your trade somewhere around there and buy. Okay, and then you take profits when you see a sell signal, or you trail by shifting stop loss as price moves up. Okay, so that's that for the strategy. It's a very good strategy. Try and backtest it. You can use it on any time frame. You can use this strategy on the 1 minute time frame. You can use it on the 15 minutes time frame. You can use it on the 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly time frame. But the higher the time frame, the longer it takes for it to play out. The shorter the time frame, the shorter the time for you to see it play out. Don't try this strategy on a real account for your first time. Try it out on a demo account first to understand how it works before going live. Try it out on demo account. Check it out. Does it work for you? If it works for you and you're able to make profit on demo account consistently, then you can move to a live or real account and start to use it. Okay, so it's basically for scalping. Okay, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button for the channel so that you get to see our videos. Then click the like button. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like button. Then you can click the bell button below the video for notifications, so that when we post another video on another strategy, you'll be the first to see the video on your notification dashboard. You can drop your comments, ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. We also have our website, www.binfxtrader.com, and another website of ours, fxfables.com. Visit this website to learn more on how to trade forex and volatility index. Till I come your way next time, is bye for now.